Well, when it was all said and done, Dollarama surged to a fresh all-time high. And in fact, that gain is the biggest that we've seen in 3 years, following better than expected sales in the most recent quarter. For the latest on the results and what to do with the stock next, we've got Martin Landry, Managing Director of Equity Research at Stifel, who covers the stock. What did you think of the results? They certainly were stellar from the perspective of total sales, but we did see a drop in basket size.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for having me. The Dollarama's Q4 results were indeed very impressive. You can see that this economic cycle where consumers are a little bit stretched is benefiting the retailer, this discount retailer. And I'll give you some numbers to put things in perspective. Their same-store sales were up 8.7% this quarter. And if you compare that to Walmart, for a similar period, Walmart grew by 1.5% in Canada. So you can see a huge outperformance. EPS was up 26% in a very tough economic time. So the company is doing extremely well, no doubt about it.
You downgraded the stock after last earnings, and not every quarter is perfect. Now that you've seen the results and the momentum, do you feel like maybe this is a stock that you would upgrade again?
Our message for investors is that if you own the stock, stay invested and ride this winner because it's still going to continue to do well. But if you're not invested, what we're saying investors is maybe look for a better entry point. The stock's valuation is higher than historical level. We feel that it fairly reflects the phenomenal execution of the management team has done. So that's our message for investors.
Is the decline in basket size a warning? And the forecast for sales growth, comparable same-store sales growth, is less than what they put up in the fourth quarter?
Yeah, so it's not a concern. I think what's happening is that there's more trips to the store, and more frequent trips maybe sometimes mean that you buy less. So not a concern at all. I mean, you take a look at the company's, the phenomenal year that it just closed. Their same-store sales were up by 12.8%. This is the fastest growth rate in the last 10 years, right? So, this business model is doing well, and it's doing well for a couple of reasons. The brand awareness is really, really good, well known across the country. The value proposition is impressive. We did an analysis last year, and most of the items at Dollarama are priced between 30 to 50% cheaper than peers. And I think that's what's resonating with customers right now.
When you look at Dollarama and compare it to the performance of a Dollar General or a Dollar Tree south of the border, I mean, presumably they're all trade down kind of inflation plays, but Dollarama has done so much better, certainly as a stock and as a business. Why is that?
Yeah, I mean, here you could argue that competition is a little less intense in the dollar channel. Dollarama is certainly entrenched, right, with an 80% market share or more in the dollar channel. And, the shopping experience is very pleasant at Dollarama. The stores are well laid out, they're clean, they're well lit. And it's kind of a bit of a treasure hunt because there's no set planograms for the company on an annual basis. So, you see a lot of shoppers that will post on social media their finds at the dollar store, and the comments are super favorable. So I think that's a bit of a unique twist that Dollarama has versus its U.S. peers.
They were asked if they were asked about price points and whether at this time, because of inflation, they're contemplating a higher price point. Of course, they've introduced the $5 price point some time ago. They said no to that answer. But do you think they have that flexibility that is a lever that they could pull going forward?
Yeah, I mean, Not right now, as they mentioned. They've introduced their $5 price point 18 months ago. So I think now, historically, if you look, they're moving price points up roughly to every 3 to 4 years. So I think we've got a little bit more time before the next price point, and $5 is also psychological threshold. So apparently there's no rush to move price points up, and that new price point at $5 price point really opened up a big availability of products that they couldn't offer before.